Okay.
Start. Okay, go. Start. Go.
Casey.
Từ yêu gì chắc rồi. Dao. To. Có cái sao rồi. Go chờ. Maybe. Đứa tội chứ.
I think that's a part of the action. Okay, who's next?
Kucipo betul lah. Kau tak Annie lah. Betul. Tak.
Apa yang udah dah?
Is that me?
Nadi?
Is that me or Nadi?
Nadi.
Kau sudah nak?
Maybe.
Isn't it? No.
Tôi bỏ lúc bỏ cái gì đấy tôi bỏ.
I don't know, but just do like. Somebody help me! Annie! And then you got Annie! Annie, yeah! I don't know!
Wait, but they...
Oh, you have to read this part! She doesn't.
Hey, ôi chào cùng đi đâu?
Oh, you didn't do that! So you're like, go to the top!
After you eat, you do that. Okay, Hi không đi đâu.
Okay. Who's go first? I'm last. Oh. Go first. You can get like this. Okay. Okay, last one. No! You need $10 for this? Nail polish. Well, I couldn't find neon, but I did, but it's $4.99. So I'm
It's okay, she said she owe you.
Yeah. That's also because it happened.
Okay, who's next?
Okay.
Oh, Casey. Yeah. Oh, Nadia.
No, Casey, yeah. Whatever, go ahead, you guys. Okay, I yes! No. It's a cup. Yes, a cup. Ayo, gimana tuh? It's a paper! It's more. Oh. House? Yeah, house. There's two more. Oh. That's this side. There's one more. There's one more. The other one's small. Where is it? Where is it? No more! There's no more! Hey. Oh! Thank you, Daddy. Daddy, you skipped you. I know. What's that? Just the actual. 좋아. 그냥 연습밖에 운동하고 그래요. Cảm ơn Phan Rip không? Không được bự. Thank you. Cute. Oh, Annie. It's my turn. I guess. It said I don't know how to read it, but it said of love.
Wrapped in lots of love.
Love, love, love.
Of love.
It's a candy.
It's of love.
She bought me like a candy.
Is that the one you wanted?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I get it pretty sure. Look at this.
What's that?
Okay. And
boy.
ooh, this is so pretty. I don't know what is it, but
It's lip gloss.
What? Lip gloss?
Yeah. It's a
eyeliner.
lollipop lip gloss.
Ooh, this is so cute. I love it. Okay, thank you. Open it. Oh, so cute.
So cute.
It's a candy. I want to open it.
Manny, no.
Restrained by pull.
It's so cute. Oh my god, that's so cute.
Oh, the trashiest gift.
It's an Eiffel. Let me see. It's an Eiffel Tower. Phone charger. I forgot what it's called. It says so right there. Cell phone charger. Cell phone charger.
Eiffel Tower.
Oh, let me see.
Wow.
Oh, I was gonna nice. Ooh, I was gonna buy silver nail polish too. Silver? Good thing I didn't buy it.
Be careful, Lucky.
Wow! He's like, whoa!
Take care, Annie. Open it. Hurry.
Open it.
And hurry. Open it. Open. Yeah.
Oh, wow. Happy.
Thank you.
Oh my god, yeah.
Why am I laughing?
Well, I want to stop it. She found. I think I'm just excited to open your present.
Hello, hello.
This thing is for all you guys.
Aww.
Oh.
Thank you.
It's not anything. Oh, you get to pick this one up. I want a blue one. Red. Hold up. I want silver. I picked blue. Hey. No, I got silver.
I picked blue.
Never mind. I got this. Hold up. I want Georgia.
Oh.
That's the
You can
It left you with the pink one.
Shit.
It's just candy. You should wear it like this.
I want this. I want like this.
Oh yeah, the open that one.
I know. How to buy it? Take a picture. Okay.
Mm.
There you go. No! Shut up! Shut up!
What the?
I picked up blue one. No, which one? I caught it.
There we is.
Oh, what's the one?
Let me see.
Those are not enough, so I'll take. What's my
little thingy for the back is in the bottom.
Oh, come
Does
on.
this have candy?
I want the box back. This is cute.
Kaliawan mo na mo.
Okay, I want this one.
Oh, you have that?
Okay, here's your thing. Pick yours.
Oh, you want to take that?
Who's this? The D.
I left out with whatever.
Jack. You. You.
It's open, shot Melanie.
No, why this one? Stop it. Oh, this one. You need to say for Addie.
Now you suck.
Oh, the thing is at the bottom, right?
Wow.
I get a red one. It's called love. What?
Only two.
Nadi.
You want the pink one? You're left with the pink one.
That is the last one.
Do you want this one or do you want these?
Wait, who didn't you say?
Melanie battery low ah.
Oh. Yeah.
Oh, I have whatever. Oh, no,
But yeah, hey.
This is red. Okay. Okay.